Test. Oh. This is how to make a house. Or a decent looking one. Now this is Geoff. 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 Geoff wants a house. This is not Geoff's house, this is my house. That empty house. This is my house. I need to edit this. This is my house. But Geoff does not have a house. Geoff wants a house. Now we're gonna make Geoff a house exactly like this one. How are we gonna do that? Well, let me show you. Now first, we make a frame for Geoff. The frame can be any size. But I am going to make frame. 1 second. I'm just gonna turn around. Whew. And we've made the frame for Geoff. Geoff's favorite wood is pale oak. But you could use any wood to make it. My house is made out of just oak. Spruce will work, birch will work, any wood. But we have made this frame. The frame can be any size. I just chose this size because it's pretty much the same size as my house. Next, we want to do the kind of like a frame, but we want to make a hollow box inside the frame. If I just turn around again, just boom. We now have a little hollow box. Make sure to put the wood on the bottom of the doors. The inside is still not furnished. So now, we're about to do that. But make sure that you can use torches or anything, but I like to use lanterns for the lighting on the inside. That would be pretty good for the lighting. You can put them in any order. You just need some lighting, just in case it turns night. And now, it's time to furnish the house. Straight into the wall. Ah! That hurt. Anyway, it's mostly furnished now. You can choose anything you want. I specifically chose a crafting table, a furnace, and a smithing table, a bed, and the fern on top of this stripped oak, pale oak log. Now Geoff has a house. You want to go inside your house, Geoff? Geoff, you want to go inside your house? I think Geoff likes his house. Yeah, I can get rid of the stuff. Anyway, that's the tutorial. You've successfully made a house. Great job. Say hi, Geoff. Oh, whoops.